Good morning, K-Vision family members, partners, sponsors, and guests and friends, families. Very warm morning to each one of you. Thank you for all your concern last night. I had a very emotional week, having to cope with a couple of major issues with members and their families with regard to health. So I felt anyway, I'm well now. When I say I'm not 100%, it's because I always work on 120% of myself, and to be able to give, to assist you in your queries, your information that you need, or help you out in any way I can. So I'm back in the office, as you can see. We are having a lot of exciting events on Sunday. Last week we had a fantastic time with the experiment of the walk, with favorite members coming forward and having a good time, and lots of chefs watching. So this week we're going to continue the excitement, and so we're going to have our sales master Jasmine Lee, who will be using the wok as well as the ceramic pan to let you have a taste of the food that is cooked on this Atomy wonderful kitchenware. So please come on in on Sunday. Bring a dish if you can, because the cooking, with the number of people attending, we won't be able to feed you. So it's just a taste of that wonderful work done by our chef. So just bring a dish and bring new friends, because they will love the community life that we have here. Now, other than that, we have our sales master Milan, who's returned from overseas, and she will again resume the beauty sessions on Wednesday with our sales master Sol, as well as our sales master Violet is continuing the good work on Thursday afternoon. These are all afternoon sessions, and appointment is needed because we need to prepare, as you know, the facial products for trial, right? And we need to also cater for different skin type and ensure that your guests have got the best experience. And not forgetting, we have our beauty therapy with Malu Lemon. She's done a fantastic job. Many people have got great result. There's a small fee, and that's for covering some overhead costs here for the service that Malu is giving you. But it's all worth it, right? On top of that, we have got our regular meetings, and more importantly, we want to get some of you to really go all out, to bring all your new members to participate in our up and coming November one-day seminar on the 11th of November, for which our Imperial Master Kim, Yong Kim, Yong Soo Kim, is coming, and we are excited to have time with her, to learn so much from her. And for that, we also will have a center meeting on Wednesday, 13th of November. So I just want to give you a head start what is upcoming on the schedule for the next 2 weeks. Lots of happening here, and the center here continue to thrive. We have our record time for the last cycle, and I want to thank every one of you for making the effort to learn more about Atomy, and to allow your friends and yourself to really experience the quality of our products at reasonable price. Now, other things that is involved is that we constantly have got training for new members, except that quite often new members and individual partners come here for training. So I may not have all the time to do Zoom meeting, So I do encourage you to come here and be on site with us. And of course, where needed, we do have Zoom meetings for special groups where you can bring your members. But that has to be really planned way in advance. We're looking for new speakers now. Plenty of activities happening in 2025. We're looking forward to the trip to Taiwan and all. So a lot of our members are working very hard. They are looking forward to that time together in March of next year. But you need to qualify. So to qualify, it is a great incentive to work hard, and that also helps you to build your business forward. For those of you who are members and partners overseas, deepest apology that I couldn't do much more Zoom than I wish to have, but be well assured they are all in the pipeline. It's just that it needs some time for that transition to take place. Other than that, I think I want to wish you a great weekend, especially if you are coming this way. Love to see you physically and hug you. Place of warmth, love, community activities. There are room for you, every one of you. We may not be able to serve you, but I think it's important to serve than to be serving, or to be served. You know what I mean, yes? So thank you so much for your care, your concern. Keep praying, keep working. We are all in it together. You are not alone, and that's the beauty of the Atomy community here in Atomy K Vision. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye for now.